welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I just came on here to explain what I've decided to do with my brand. Okay, so I've been doing wholesale with Spotbeauty months ago, and I started wholesale like 3 months into my business, and I've been doing like wholesale and like selling lip glosses. So I'm going to launch Spotbeauty in about 30 minutes, and I just wanted to explain here. Also, I'm going to be doing an inventory check, kind of like an inventory check. I know it's been a while since I've been on here, so I decided to do like an inventory check and also update you guys on Spotbeauty and my new brand, Spotbeauty. Okay, so if you haven't followed me on Instagram, make sure you follow me at Spotbeauty, and also follow my wholesale page, which is at Spotbeauty. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and do drop your comments. If you have any video ideas, just drop it in the comment. I always check the comments. So yeah, let's get into the video. I'm going to be showing you guys some of the tubes that I, well, all of the tubes. All my tubes are not here yet, but I'm going to be showing you guys all that I have right now. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is my filling machines. I got my filling machines. I got 3 of them. One I got off of Amazon, and 2 I got off of eBay, and the prices were different. The middle one, this one right here, I got from Amazon, and it was about $200. And this one and that one over there I got from eBay, and they were like $99.99, like basically $100. Next things I'm going to show you guys are my tubes. I got a lot of tubes, you guys. So this is the diamond. I got a lot of the diamond tubes, and they're going to be available at Spotbeauty. I'm going to link it down below. It's launching in 30 minutes. So I got the diamond tubes. I got about 500, I think, and this one I already started selling. I got about 500 also, and that's what's left. The pink 10 ml lip gloss tube, and also the famous clear one tubes. I actually didn't add this to my site, so they're going to launch with Spotbeauty. So I got a lot of this because a lot of people like this clear one tube. Yeah, that's more. I also got the pink. I got the pink, I think they're 5 ml tubes. I got a lot of those. I also got this pink square, not pink, white square lip gloss tubes. I love these tubes, honestly. I feel like if your brand is like classy, like all about classy and stuff like that, yeah, these tubes are the best. Like, I love how it's like, you see, it gives me that KKW beauty vibe. Got white, the white of the pink I just showed. So this is what it looks like. I have the tubes in here and the stoppers, and then I have the covers, like the tops in here. And this is also the clear one tube that everyone loves. And I think that's it for the tubes. The diamond, pink, white, another white, clear, pink. And this is not, well, it's inventory, but you guys, I made a lot of lip glosses because I don't want to be doing them like as I'm getting the orders. So I made them like pre-made lip glosses, so when I get the orders, I just ship them out. So these are for my wholesale squeeze tubes. They're 15 ml squeeze tubes. Yeah, and also this pink, the pink baby, so cute, so cute. This is Starlight with a clear glitter gloss. That's Starlight. This is Scarlet is Pigmented. This is Dumaby. This is Sonic. This is Ada. This is, I called this Haze. This is Ace. And I have Chuck. They're both, like, they're kind of similar, but there's like a slight difference. So yeah, that's it. I made a lot. Like, y'all, this is like a lot of lip glosses. Like, and at the bottom of this, I have my glitter glosses that I sell. This will be for Spotbeauty, not also. I sell these at Spotbeauty, but the other ones I sell for wholesale. Because like doing a business is hard. It's hard to like to be organized and stuff like that. So this drawer, I have glitter, some glitter that I use. I don't know what I'm going to do with these yet. And these are the colors that I use for my lip gloss kits and flavors. Here I have paper and some inks. Here I have my jewelry. I sell jewelry on the website, Spotbeauty. I need to add this to the website because they are not on the website yet. But yeah. And these are my samples. These are my lip gloss samples. And more samples. There I have gloss. Here I have pigments and glitter from TKB. More glitter, pigments, more pigments. Here I have my flavoring oils and some pipettes that I need to organize for Suckered Ambassador. So if you want to get your flavorings, these are the flavorings I use from my lip glosses, and they smell so good, y'all. You should try them. I'm going to leave them down in the description. Use Poppy10 for 10% off your purchases. Thank you. And here I have my lip scrubs, my lemon pound cake lip scrubs. As you can see, it's so oily. And here I have pipettes. I have a lot of pipettes. Bags, the little bags that I use for stoppers. When people buy tubes from me, I put the stoppers in here. And here I use this for my pouches, for bubble mailers. I don't know the exact size, I'm not sure, but they're big. Yeah, I got a lot of those. And then I got the 4x8. Okay, that's definitely not 5x8. Probably like 5x12 or something. And then I got the 4x8 mailers. I have a lot of them. And I still have more in those boxes right there. And that's my shipping stuff. This is from USPS, obviously. You can get them for free from their website. And here I have my lip glosses. I need to restock on this. This is Angel Cocoa and Mocha. They're so cute. Those are my lip glosses. These are also the lip glosses that I sell at Spotbeauty. Some of them aren't on the site. And then I have my Starry glosses on. And then I have Max and all of those. If you want the vendors for this, I have the vendors for this lip glosses. Well, they will be on the new site at Spot Glosses. Those are my colors. My gun, that's empty. And here I have my mini lip glosses. Milky Way, Blossom, all of that available at Spotbeauty. Here I have my rubbing alcohol. I have my jars for the lip glosses. I have my lip scrubs, the ready-made lip scrubs here. I need to restock. And then I have my ready-made, this I got from a business. I got this from a business on Instagram. I'm going to leave our Instagram up here somewhere. So I have these ready-made glosses ready to ship. This is Microcosmos. Microcosmos is so pretty. And then I have Ambrosia. And then I have my pigmented glosses here. And then I need to restock on Galaxy. This is Galaxy. And here I have more mailers, and I have syringes up here. So that's it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. And if you have any video ideas that you want me to do, leave it in the comment section and I'll be sure to check it out.